Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I decided to make kitchen accessories for my dolls so that they can cook food that they like. You will find the link on dolls template in the description of this video, and everything else is very easy to make, and I will show you how I made these wonderful accessories. You will need two types of fabric, ribbon and a needle and thread. First, let's make an apron. Measure out a small square for the apron according to the size of the doll. I also made a small stripe to decorate it, and it can be sewn only at the bottom, and then there will be a pocket, but I sewed it completely. Then fold two squares with the good side to the good side and sew on 3 edges. Cut off the corners and turn the product inside out. I will sew the top seam by hand. All that remains is to sew on the ribbon. Let's try the apron on the doll. It suits her very well. Now let's make a pot holder. To do this, cut out 2 squares and a small piece of ribbon. Fold the ribbon in half and place it between the pieces of fabric. Now we need to sew our square on 3 edges. Cut off the corners, turn the product inside out and sew the remaining edge by hand. Let's make another pot holder. I made a template on a piece of paper and then traced it onto the fabric. Add a ribbon, fold the edges and sew along the line. Now we turn the product inside out. Our pot holder is ready. Let's make towels. Take 4 rectangles and put them with the good side to the good side. Sew on 3 edges. Cut off the corners and turn the product inside out. I sew the remaining edge by hand. Now let's make a pocket for the bread. I took the bread from a set of food for dolls. You will find a link to it in the description of this video. Cut out 2 rectangles, then put them with the good side to the good side and sew a line. Then fold in half and sew another line along the edge. Turn the product inside out and fold the edges. Cut off the excess and sew the bottom seam by hand. The bread pocket is ready. Let's make an organizer for cutlery. Cut out 2 rectangles, then put them good side to good side and sew a line. We will make 3 such parts. Then fold the edges on both sides along the length of the parts that we will store. Cut off all the excess, attach our pockets to the fabric and sew lines at the bottom of each part. Then sew 2 more small rectangles at the bottom and top of our part. And do the same on the sides. Take another rectangle of fabric and a ribbon. Fold everything together and sew on 3 edges. Cut off the corners, turn the product inside out and sew the bottom seam by hand. Now it's time to put the cutlery in the pockets. Here are the accessories we got. They look very nice in our kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and happiness, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!